I arrive home at 7 p.m. I arrive home at 7 p.m. I take off my shoes at the door. I take off my shoes at the door. I hang my coat on the hook. I hang my coat on the hook. I feel relaxed to be home. I feel relaxed to be home. I feed my cat some food. I feed my cat some food. I play with my pet for a while. I play with my pet for a while. I decide to cook dinner. I decide to cook dinner. I go to the kitchen again. I go to the kitchen again. I wash some vegetables. I wash some vegetables. I chop some carrots and onions. I chop some carrots and onions. I put some oil in the pan. I put some oil in the pan. I stir-fry the vegetables. I stir-fry the vegetables. I add some salt and pepper. I add some salt and pepper. I cook some rice in the cooker. I cook some rice in the cooker. I set the table for dinner. I set the table for dinner. I pour a glass of cold juice. I pour a glass of cold juice. I sit down to enjoy my meal. I sit down to enjoy my meal. I turn on some soft music. I turn on some soft music. I eat my dinner peacefully. I eat my dinner peacefully. I feel very satisfied. I feel very satisfied. I put the leftovers in the fridge. I put the leftovers in the fridge. I wash all the pots and pans. I wash all the pots and pans. I dry the dishes with a cloth. I dry the dishes with a cloth. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I go to the living room. I go to the living room. I sit on the comfortable sofa. I sit on the comfortable sofa. I take the remote control. I take the remote control. I watch my favorite movie. I watch my favorite movie. I feel very entertained. I feel very entertained. I check my social media. I check my social media. I see some funny videos. I see some funny videos. I like and comment on a photo. I like and comment on a photo. I put my phone on the charger. I put my phone on the charger. I find a good book to read. I find a good book to read. I open the book to page 10. I open the book to page 10. I read for about 30 minutes. I read for about 30 minutes. I learn some new English words. I learn some new English words. I feel smart and proud. I feel smart and proud. I yawn because I am sleepy. I yawn because I am sleepy. I look at the wall clock. I look at the wall clock. I realize it is already 10 p.m. I realize it is already 10 p.m. I go to the bathroom one last time in the evening. I go to the bathroom one last time in the evening. I wash my hands and face in the evening. I wash my hands and face in the evening. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I use some dental floss. I use some dental floss. I look at my tired eyes. I look at my tired eyes. I walk slowly to my bedroom. I walk slowly to my bedroom. I close the bedroom door. I close the bedroom door. I close the curtains. I close the curtains. I take off my daily clothes. I take off my daily clothes. I put on my soft pajamas. I put on my soft pajamas. I set my alarm for tomorrow morning. I set my alarm for tomorrow morning. I turn off the bedside lamp. I turn off the bedside lamp. I crawl under the warm blanket. I crawl under the warm blanket. I lie down on my back. I lie down on my back. I adjust my pillow. I adjust my pillow. I hug my soft pillow. I hug my soft pillow. I think about my achievements today. I think about my achievements today. I plan my tasks for tomorrow. I plan my tasks for tomorrow. I feel thankful for my day. I feel thankful for my day. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I exhale slowly. I exhale slowly. I relax my toes and feet. I relax my toes and feet. I relax my legs and back. I relax my legs and back. I relax my shoulders and neck. I relax my shoulders and neck. I feel my body getting heavy. I feel my body getting heavy. I feel very, very sleepy now. I feel very, very sleepy now. I stop thinking about work. I stop thinking about work. I listen to the silence of the night. I listen to the silence of the night. I feel very peaceful. I feel very peaceful. I fall into a deep sleep. I fall into a deep sleep. I do not hear any noise. I do not hear any noise. I dream about a beautiful beach. I dream about a beautiful beach. I sleep all night long. I sleep all night long. I rest my mind and body. I rest my mind and body. I feel calm inside. I feel calm inside. I sleep until the morning comes. I sleep until the morning comes. I am ready for a new day. I am ready for a new day.